so it's the next day. I had to stop fucking with it because when I got up inside the box, I noticed all the filters. This shit right here. All this filter material that was on the evap core was all hella tore up. So I went searching, trying to find some. No kind of luck. Not for this car. So what I did was went to Home Depot and bought one of these replacement shop vac filters. And I'm finna take it and put it up on here like this. I took it, it came together. I cut it. And hold on, let me get the light. See down in here. I don't know if you can see. But yeah. It's supposed to be a filter right up against this right here. This evap core. Man, I don't know if you can see down there, it's all hella tore up. There's still some in there. Since it's all connected, I can't even pull it up out of there and do nothing with it. So I'm finna just take the little clips that's still on there. I got one of them right here. And I'm finna just clip this up to the back of that, because if I don't have that, then it ain't gonna be filtering none of the air that's coming into the car. So yeah, that shit right there, man, stopped everything. So now I can get back to it, man. Alright, so this is what I did. It's doubled a little bit right there in the middle, but I only had 3 clips, so I got 2 of them right here on this end and one down here about in the middle. Yeah, so now I got that out the way. I could just pull this heater core real quick, clean some of these other parts up, and lay some seal down around there, put the cover back over there. Start bolting it back down. Man, a filter. I didn't know a filter was gonna have me stuck like this. Go to old one. Alright, man. So I just bolted down the heater core. I got that all in there, and I started laying some seam sealer around there. I'm finna go on and finish laying it all around here. I don't know what's going on right here. It's just, I don't even know. But yeah, I'm finna finish laying this seam sealer all around here, but I'm finna drop that cover back on there, man. I'm tired of messing with it. So let me get to that, man. Alright, so I got the seam select on there. Alright, man, so I got that motherfucker back together, man. Last night, I was struggling putting that case back on. So I stopped filming. And once I got the case on there, I just put the hoses on. This morning I ain't even hooked up the hoses. But last night I was through with it. I had something else to do anyway. So right now I'm just running it, checking it for leaks. Been running for a minute and I ain't found one yet, so it's looking good. All that wet, that ain't nothing but cooling from when I was changing hoses. Came up out the hoses. Everything looking good though. So the heat blowing. Crank it. Yeah. Yeah, it's feeling good. Alright. That's one thing I can check off the list. Man, I used to be in this motherfucker freezing. I was driving the kids to school shit when I was driving. The motherfucker blowing though, man. It's doing its thing. That's it, man. Heater cool in. Struggled with a little bit all over that damn filter. That filter slowed me down by a whole day. Behind by a day. So I ain't tripping. The car ain't like I need it. Alright. Everything looking good, man. So, that's gonna be the end, man. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. That's it, man. I'm out.